We capture the joy and excitement of our Chinese friends as they experience the thrill of gem mining. To express our heartfelt gratitude, we dedicate this special song to them, celebrating the unforgettable moments we shared together.
Far across the ocean, on a journey bright, you came to our island in golden sunlight. Through the hills and rivers where the sapphires shine, welcome, dear travelers, to this land so divine. Footsteps on the soil where the miners dream, digging through the ages in the sapphire stream. From the hands of history to the world so wide, Mother Lanca's treasures hold a timeless pride. Of the past in every precious stone, kings and traders walked these lands we call our own. Now you stand before them, gems of blue and red, stories of the ages in your hands are spread.